Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to unsubscribe from Myfitnesspal. So if you are using iOS, go ahead and go to your application through your App Store. If you are using Android, go to your application through your Google Play. Now, if you're using PC just like I am, you can go to any kind of browsers. For example, for me, I'm using Google Chrome, and then go to myfitnesspal.com and open it from there. Now, as you can see, this page will not be shown for you at the beginning. You have to create an account first. So basically, go ahead and create an account. So it's pretty simple process. Email, password, and then some information about your body like height and weight and your goal, and if you are active or not. After that, what you'll have to do is, for example, get the premium. So in order to actually unsubscribe, so you have to subscribe first. So how you can actually get this premium, there's a free trial. So you can just get it. It gives you multiple options like an access, so nutrition tracking, customizable carbs, protein, fat goals, guided fitness and nutrition plans, custom home screen dashboard, food analysis insights, meals and recipes, ad-free experience so you don't have enough ad and add and subtract exercise calories, and quick add carbs, fats and protein, and file export. So if you want to download any files, you can just export them using that. Now, how you can actually unsubscribe after you try this free trial and you don't feel like it is worth it to keep up paying each month. Basically, go here to my home. You can click on settings from here or from there. After that, let's say that you have subscribed, so you go to account settings and you will click on the first option, which is subscription settings. Now let's click on it. And in my case, I'm not really subscribed. For you guys, you will have here the billing information. So you just have to restrict or remove your account's informations, your bank account informations, and then unsubscribe, which is pretty simple. You'll have a button to unsubscribe, click on it, confirm, and just like you have unsubscribed from MyFitnessPal. So thank you guys a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.